For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The dreaded coronavirus is showing no signs of slowing down as the number of cases continues to rise exponentially. According to the World Health Organization, the world saw the biggest single-day spike when it comes to the cases of the contagion. World Health Organization said that over 183,000 cases of the deadly pandemic was reported on June 21st. On the other hand, 4,743 deaths were reported on the same day from across the world. Most of the cases were reported from the Americas, while India came third on the list. Brazil reported the most number of cases in the last 24 hours with 54,771. The United States reported 36,617 cases in the last 24 hours, while according to the World Health Organization, India was third on the list with 15,413 cases reported from the country in the last 24 hours. Russia reported 7,728 cases, while Chile added 5,355 fresh cases on Sunday. With the biggest single-day spike, the total number of coronavirus cases have now gone up past the 87 lakh mark. More than 4.6 lakh people have lost their lives due to the deadly pandemic. According to experts, the rise in the number of cases may be due to widespread testing and easing of restrictions. The rate at which the cases are increasing only underlines the fact that the pandemic is accelerating worldwide and showing no signs of slowing down. Even the Director General of the World Health Organization has said that the pandemic is accelerating.
The pandemic is accelerating. Almost half of those cases were reported from the Americas, with large numbers also being reported from South Asia and the Middle East.
Countries around the world are now easing restrictions after months of lockdown. The World Health Organization says that due to easing of restrictions, the world is now in a new and dangerous phase as the virus is accelerating.
The world is in a new and dangerous phase. Many people are understandably fed up with being at home. Countries are understandably eager to open up their societies and economies, but the virus is still spreading fast.
The rise in cases paint a deadly picture, and it is up to the individuals to take proper precautions.